You have to give it away. You have to give it away. You you just have to. You just have to give it away. Okay? Like, I get it. I know it feels wrong, right? You've worked 10, 20, 30 years to master what you know. It's hard earned. It's the hard fought knowledge that you've acquired. And you think, if I give it away for free, won't people just steal it? Won't it lose its value? Here's the uncomfortable truth. We already live in a world where everyone's already giving it away. And worse, people are telling basically a version of your story their way, and they're getting credit for it. So while you sit there protecting your secrets, your competitors are figuring it out anyway. So how much of a secret is it really? I mean, you figured it out, didn't you? So why couldn't they? That whole paradigm of pay me for access to my knowledge, it's dead. And if it isn't, AI is plunging the knife in right now. So it's as good as dead. Might as well be dead, right? Today, if you hold on too tightly with your knowledge, right, with what you know, you basically disappear. You become irrelevant. But if you give it away, you build gravity. And here's the thing. When you do give it away, two groups emerge. The do-it-yourselfers. They were never going to hire you anyway, right? The tire kickers, they have the time and energy. They may not have the money or a compelling need. They're like the hobbyists. So let them binge on your videos. Let them download playbooks. Give them tools and assessments and things. Help them on their journey so that they sing your praises. And they become the marketing team for you. The other group that comes from that group doing its job are the buyers. And they're the ones that have the money, have the problem, but don't have the time to do it themselves. Let those guys find you. The buyers are the ones who'll pay you, and gladly, just to solve the challenge. In today's market, we don't just sell information, we sell outcomes. So give them the map and charge for the ride. And stop hiding. Just give it all away. And watch how fast the right people come to you.